Now we are going to stitch snap button, and this is the last button. I am taking this button and I am keeping 2 points, opposite and opposite. Wherever you want, you can keep. Now I am taking my needle, and from back I am not inserting the needle from the back. From here I am inserting, from up itself I am inserting the again I am inserting here. Again I am inserting in this point, and I am taking out, and you will get some space here, and I will insert the needle here, and I will take. Now I will move to the another point. The next point I am stitching. Now again I am inserting here, and in this way I am leaving the needle, and I am taking, and it will lock. Now I will move to another point. I will leave the needle in the space, and I will take, and I will move to the another space. Again I will leave. Again I will insert the needle here, and I will take. Some space will be here. Inside it, insert the needle and take out. Now again I am inserting here. Again I am inserting here, and I am inserting in the another point. Now I am inserting here. And I am taking out. We will get some thread here. I will take that and rotate 1, 2, 3. I will rotate 3 times, and I will take it. Again I will insert here, and I will lock one more time. At this point I am inserting the needle. I am taking. I will lock this. Already 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. And I will take the needle out. Now we are going to stitch another side. Now I am putting lock. I am inserting the needle in the next point, next hole, and I am putting lock, and I am trimming my thread. Now see, I will lock this. See, this is called snap button. We can lock and we can open. Lock and open.